Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me today. It's April 1st. It's no April Fools, 2026, and it's time to share a closer look at our new subscriptions for the month. So without further ado, let's head down to the table and let's check them out. Let's start out with our foil subscription. Our foil subscription charges on the 5th of each month, and we ship it on the 5th unless it's a Sunday or a holiday. And it's $21.99 shipped for free within the US, so it's super great value. You get a pack of foilable panels. This month it's the typewriter foilable panels, so you get 8 of these foilable panels with this gorgeous typewriter with roses. This was illustrated by Angie Blom, and I simply love it. It's old school typewriter, and you have room that you can put a sentiment or whatever inside that typewriter, and have something fun coming up a little later to show you with that design as well. So you'll get the foilable panels. You also get a package of foilable sheets. So these are 8.5 by 5.5. And we now have transfer folders available that will allow you to foil the entire sheet at once if you like, or you can cut them up and foil and use them as you like. This is called Bountiful Bows foilable sheets. So it's all about the bows. Aren't those pretty? You get the positive and negative print. So lots of foiling varieties that you can do with these. Look at these little corners. Here is a sheet full of bows. Love that. I'm seeing bows everywhere these days. They're definitely on trend. Here's the negative print with all those bows. And then this one is upside down. But it's a lovely little frame with the bow at the bottom. And you get the positive. And I'm sure if I flip this over, yes, you get the negative print of that as well. So much fun. I can't wait to create with these. Can't wait to see what you create with them. So that's the foilable sheets, the foilable panels that's in the foil subscription. Now let's show you the foil. So pretty. So we have flowers silver and flowers pink already. And now this month in your foil subscription, you're the first to get flowers teal. So this beautiful teal foil with all these sparkly flowers. I thought that's beautiful. It's great for the spring. Just a really pretty sparkly foil. So you get a full roll in your foil subscription, which has 25 feet by 6¼ inches. So you have plenty of foil on the roll to do lots and lots of foiling. And our foils are made in the US, and we think they're one of the greatest values of toner foiling out there. So that is our foil subscription. We have a stamp and die of the month subscription. So if you get the stamp of the month for $12 shipped for free within the US, you're going to get a 4x6 stamp set. This month it's called Page Turner. If you get the stamp and die of the month, it's only $24 shipped for free within the US. You get the stamp and the coordinating die. So this adorable stamp set, like I said, is called Page Turner. It's got all these cute little critters and their books. We've got Your Story Just Keeps Getting Better. Thanks for being the kind of person who makes life feel like a good book. Happy birthday. May this year be a real page turner. Some people are like favorite novels. You never get tired of them. I love those sentiments, and they're perfect for lots of varieties of things, especially if you've got some book lovers or some readers in your life. April is National School Library Month, and the National Library Association also celebrates Library Week during April. So I thought I'd do a little bookish theme this month along with my bows and some other things. So this is Page Turner. This is the stamp and die of the month. So fun. Now we'll talk about our Crafty Courtyard Kit. So our Crafty Courtyard Kit is our big card kit. It ships and charges on the 15th of each month. I may have forgotten to mention the stamp and die, they charge on the 10th. So the Crafty Courtyard Kit charges on the 15th. The base price is only $34.99. We do add shipping based on your location. If you're in the US, the shipping is a flat $8.50. And then if you're in Canada or an international location, you have shipping added as well. But it's still a super great value. I always give you a sheet that tells you exactly what's in your kit, so you always know what you're getting. And on the back of your sheet, I have two, but this will be printed on the back of yours, is just some card sketches that I created. Just kind of jumpstart your creativity. Just kind of give you something to start creating when you get your kit. Let's go over the cardstock in the kit. So you're going to have 2 half sheets of glitter paper. We've got this beautiful sparkly orange and beautiful sparkly kind of coppery color. So pretty. And then for cardstock, we've got 4 of our colored cardstocks. We have wildflowers, beautiful deep orange, salon pink, brownstone, which is a nice tan, kind of like a lunch bag brown. We've got barbershop blue, and of course our white. We have gotten back in stock our 110-pound ice rink white cardstock, and so you're going to get a nice sturdy piece of our heavy-duty 110-pound ice rink cardstock in the kit. All right, let's take a look at what else is inside the kit. You're going to get an exclusive sequin mix. These are super sparkly and shiny. We've got some kind of minty greens and teals and peaches and golds and yellows in here. Some really pretty colors that you can either glue them onto your card or you can make shaker cards, whatever you like. We're giving you a construction ink pad. So this is our orange. We call it construction. You're going to get a brand new 6x6 embossing folder. This is called Bunch of Bows. And if you recognize the pattern, it's very similar to a pattern in the foilables, so you can make things that coordinate if you get both the Crafty Courtyard and the foil subscription. I love this. This is going to make great background for lots of things. Okay, our stamp and die in the kit. You get this 4x6 stamp set. This is called Typed Greetings. So we have that beautiful typewriter by Angie Blom with these nice roses. I've colored this one just teal, and I've kept this coloring really simple. I used 1 color or maybe 2 colors of teal Olo markers and just blended them out darker around the edges. And then I don't know what all these parts are for the old typewriter. I don't know what they are or what, so I just went with my gray, and I just colored them gray. Just kind of shaded a light and dark gray, and I think it came out great. The flowers really pop. I used 2 tones of kind of a magenta color on my roses. And the sentiments up here, they will all fit in the typewriter. So I have a happy hello, get well soon, thank you, to cheer you, congrats, I love you, I miss you, happy birthday, and thinking of you. So along with the stamp set, you also get the coordinating die. The die will cut out the typewriter in the typewriter foilables. It's the same size as the stamp. So you've got the die in the kit here that will cut out that typewriter on the foilable as well. I just wanted to show you real quick. I did also color the typewriter in shades of purple with some yellow roses, and stamped that thinking of you right there and a little pink heart. I thought that came out nice also. Okay, moving right along. We also have a full 8.5 by 5.5 paper pack. This is called Sunrise. I called it that because of the beautiful oranges and teals. The colors just reminded me of a really pretty sunrise in the morning. You get 12 different patterns and you get 2 of each pattern. So here we have some fun, just some little triangle on this minty green color. Gorgeous plaid. If you know me, you know I love my plaids. Like I said, you get 2 of each design. Got that plaid. Got a really nice, bold navy blue polka dot. We've got a multicolor polka dot. Here's a deep orange, some little zigzag lines. We have a nice diagonal stripe. Some beautiful florals. Some nice big bold stripes. I like to give you a lot of variety of patterns in the paper pack. They all coordinate and match together, but they're all not like one big bold pattern, so that you can match your stripes with your florals, your plaids with your polka dots, and so on. You can really mix and match these patterns to make some beautiful designs. Here's kind of some 4-point stars in this really pretty coral pattern. We've got some orange on orange little hearts, polka hearts. Here's a fun little chevron pattern in all the colors. And then we have a softer, kind of a corally pink. It's more pink, I guess I would say. Hearts, more polka hearts. And then we go back through some of those designs that we've just gone through. So I really love the papers in this paper pack, and I hope you do as well. And then, last but certainly not least, you'll be getting your little Velcro storage pouch. Most everything in your kit will come along inside that. And that is our Crafty Courtyard kit for the month. Thank you so much again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at our April 2026 subscription products. If you're receiving these at your doorstep, I hope you're super excited. I know I can't wait to create with them. I can't wait to see what you create with them. You can find out more and subscribe at pinkandmain.com. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.